Welcome to this tutorial on finding New Jersey session laws within the New Jersey Digital Publications Library. The New Jersey Digital Publications Library offers free, full-text access to New Jersey session laws, also known as chapter laws or acts of the legislature. You do not need an active library card to use it or download items. The Digital Publications Library is organized into collections by author. For instructions on how to find the Digital Publications Library, please view our tutorial on the New Jersey State Publications Digital Library available at the link on your screen. The session laws can be found within the Legislators Collection. Click on the Legislature link. On the next two pages, click on the Acts of the Legislature links. You can also search for the collection using the search box conveniently located in the upper right corner of the page. Make sure Search DSpace is checked and type in Session Laws. Like before, make sure to click on the Acts of the Legislature links on the next two pages. There are some limits that you can use to better organize the information in this collection, including sorting the session laws by date. If you are looking for a particular year, you can type in the year and click Go. Your year will now be the first result. Documents within the digital library are full-text searchable. You can search for keywords across the entire repository or within a specific collection. For this example, I am looking for references to public libraries within the New Jersey session laws. Click on the blue title link. On the next page, you can access the document by clicking either the file name or the file image. Once the document loads, you can download it, print it, or search within the document by pressing Ctrl F. If you have any questions or need help using the collection, please contact the reference desk by phone or email. Thanks for watching.